Hello friends, I'm so very delightful while you joining me in this course AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. This is fundamental or foundational level course we have in AWS. If you want to start learning AWS, you are at the right place. This is the course where you want to start your journey of AWS. Now, before we move forward, I would like to congratulate you for taking this right decision for learning AWS. Now, if you look at these stats here, cloud computing market has increased 10 times in last 10 years. So this is growing like anything, and this is also reflecting in the jobs. So if you look at AWS job vacancy trend, you can see that jobs related to AWS increasing in demand exponentially. So you can see that this is really a very hot job market right now. And according to Gartner recent report, AWS is continuing as a leader in cloud computing. AWS was the first one who launched actually the serious cloud computing in the market, and since then AWS is keeping its first position as a leader in cloud computing. So you are really at the right place. Now, coming back to my slides here quickly, right now we are here in the cloud practitioner certification. So this is the foundational level certification, right? This requires a 6 month of experience of AWS. But don't worry, if you take this course, I have enough demos, and if you go through all of those demos, you will know more than someone who has 6 months of experience, okay? And after this foundational certification, you can take any associate level certification or professional level certification, or AWS also has specialized certification like security, machine learning, data analytics, database, and so on. Well, my name is Ishant Garg and I'm Cloud Architect, and I especially work with the AWS and Azure technologies. This is my website where I list all my courses, and this is my LinkedIn profile where generally I'm active, and I would love to be in touch with you. Now, AWS has more than 200 services, but in this course, we are going to cover more than 40 AWS important services, okay? And in this course, we are going to have both theory and demos. Now, if you don't know, in cloud, whenever we use any service, actually it costs us money. But in this course, I'll make sure that you remain always in the free tier so that it does not cost you anything. And wherever, in whichever service it is going to cost you, I will mention explicitly. I will notify you so that you do not continue with that particular demo. Okay. Now, if you are in hurry for whatever reason, if you want to complete this certification as early as possible, you don't have to go through demos, because in the exam you won't have demos. You will just have theoretical or conceptual understanding of AWS services, right? So you can go through the lessons, quizzes, summaries, practice test, and this should be more than enough for you to have a very good marks in your certification exam. Or if you are serious about learning AWS and you have some time, I would suggest you to take this course as a full, all lessons, demos, quiz, summaries, practice test, everything. And by the end of this course, you will have a very good understanding of AWS cloud. All right, so who should take this course? Anyone who wants to clear a CCP or Certified Cloud Practitioner exam for AWS should take this course, or anyone who wants to start learning AWS cloud services would be a perfect candidate to take this course. Now, there is no prerequisite. This is a foundational level exam, so you don't need to have any prior certification, any prior knowledge, experience, nothing. You don't need to know anything. You can start this course from very fresh, right? And in this course, we are going to have more than 15 hours of content. We are going to cover everything you need to know for this exam, 100% syllabus. We have 2 practice tests, we have a lot of quizzes, notes and PPTs and demo resources, study material, basically everything you need to not just clear this certification, but to have a very good understanding about this AWS cloud services. Everything is included in this course, and you're going to have full lifetime access to this course. So all the future updates, whatever I'm going to update in this course, you are going to get access for that. And once you complete this course, you are going to get certification from Udemy. So irrespective whether you take AWS certification or not, but you're going to have a certification from Udemy, and you have 30 days money back guarantee. So for whatever reason, if you feel that this is not the right course for you, you can just return it back and you will get your full money back. So there is absolutely no risk, and this is a win-win situation. So once again, I would like to welcome you, and I'm very sure that you are going to join me in this journey of learning AWS cloud computing. Thank you so much.